very warm welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today's recipe is very special as we are going to make a dessert which is healthy, and today's recipe is for all those health conscious people out there and diabetic people as well. Today we are going to make beetroot halwa without sugar. We'll be using jaggery in it and it's very healthy. So let's begin with the recipe. Let us begin with our healthy beetroot halwa. And the very first thing we are going to add is a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter, and we are adding very little, only a teaspoon. The next thing which we are going to add is our main ingredient, that is beetroot, and we are going to add grated beetroot. I have taken here nearly half kg of beetroot. We will saute them for 2-3 minutes. And beetroots are very healthy and they are good source of iron and folate, which is also folic acid, and it contains essential antioxidants and magnesium. It also helps to lower blood pressure. These beetroots are great for diabetic people as well. If they have sweet cravings, they can have this halwa. After sauteing for 2-3 minutes, now we will be adding milk to this, and here I am going to add nearly 1 cup of milk, and this is skimmed milk which is low in fat. And after adding milk, we are just going to stir it once. After mixing it well, we are just going to cover this and we are going to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame until beetroot becomes soft and gets cooked properly. It's been 15 minutes now. We will just check. You can see our beetroot is cooked properly. It has become soft, and now we will just quickly give a stir to this. Now we are going to add 100 grams of jaggery and we'll be mixing it well. Now jaggery is good for diabetic people. Instead of sugar, they can use jaggery in small amount. So if you add jaggery to this, it becomes healthy. We are adding 100 grams of jaggery to half kg of beetroot, and the amount of jaggery which I have used is very less. You can increase the amount of jaggery if you feel like, but I feel this amount is perfect for this recipe, as well as it is healthy. On health count, if we see, it's perfect. Also beetroot has its own sweetness, so this much jaggery would be perfectly fine for this recipe. And we will just give a stir so that jaggery will melt. By the time jaggery melts, we'll be adding few walnuts to this. I am adding nearly 1 tablespoon of walnuts. Again, walnuts are very healthy. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They are great for diabetic people. They also induce weight loss. Few I'll reserve for garnishing. You can add the choice of your nuts or dry fruits, but right now I'm going to add walnuts, and also we'll be adding few black currants or black sultanas or raisins. You can see here jaggery is melted, and we are going to add black currants to it or black sultanas, and again I have added 8 to 10 black currants, and these are very high in vitamin C. They also have essential vitamins, then antioxidants. They are very great for diabetic people. Now the only thing which we have to do is we just have to evaporate this juices of beetroot. So I'll just increase the flame little bit. I have kept the gas on medium high, and we'll just evaporate. We are not going to make it dry completely, but little bit we are going to evaporate this. Now this is a very basic halwa recipe which I have shown here today, and it's very healthy. Previously I had uploaded one beetroot halwa recipe on my channel, the link of which I am giving below in description box, but I made it with sugar and it was too rich, comparatively this is very light on palate and you can have it. Even the health conscious people, diabetic people can enjoy this as sweet craving. Our beetroot halwa is ready. You can see water has evaporated. Still this halwa is little moist. I haven't made it too dry because I like this moist halwa. And now we will serve it. You can serve it hot or you can serve it chilled. You can also add cardamom powder or elaichi powder, half a teaspoon. But right now I am out of it, so I am just going to serve it like that. Our healthy beetroot halwa is ready and I am just going to garnish it with few walnuts. Also black currants. All those health conscious people out there and also diabetic people, I hope you all will enjoy this recipe video and please give it a try. You all will surely love it and this recipe will surely help to satisfy your sweet cravings. And do let me know in the comment section below. I'm waiting for your comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also do share this recipe with your family and friends. Thank you. See you soon with few more interesting recipes. Till then, bye bye.